Yeah, I'm alright.
Madam.
Adam.
There's no.
Hey guys, we should make this into a fun vlog. New vlog. Come on, guys. Kill me.
I actually want to anyway. Who doesn't? Hi, Mum. Please don't watch this. I hope someone finds this video in 48 hours time.
When I'm gone. When I'm gone.
You're gonna miss
Me when I come.
I hope you don't.
Hey! Bon come.
It's like Bengo's, I trust me, cool kid.
What do I do when I try to pick
Bengo's there.
You go to
Oh, the scatty park.
The sket park.
Sket park.
like if you're on his story, I just wrote Ben. And if you're on my story, you just put Ben. Like, there's no context to Ben. We both just acknowledge that you're on each other's stories. Isn't that great?
No.
I hate myself.
Look at Alice's hairy legs.
Down with the patriarchy.
That's it.
That's
Play
it.
that. That my hair blew that's double it. Like there's in every Planet Butters video.
Yeah. I think we should go and play pirate mini golf, to be honest. I think that would make more enjoyable content.
How do you say the second word in that? Brewers.
Fair. I think Chris is a bit dead inside.
Just tell them one of them. It'd just be easier.
Roman Reigns?
Doman Rose. I like that house.
Ooh.
I like that idea.
Oh no, we've worked out, we've established.
Wheel.
Actually, all of you people watching right now, most of you, you'll be back there. Yeah, I hate you. I hate myself. And it's because people make me feel like shit on a regular basis. And I don't feel.
Wait, what? Alas. Alas. What? Come back. They're already really far away. They're already all the way up there. I can't walk very fast. They have little legs. They're not skinny. You're right. You're fucking right. They're not skinny. I'm trying. How the fuck can they walk that fast? He's such a lanky little shit. Well, massive shit. Look at him. All the way over there. Lanky dickhead. I have tiny legs. I made it.
You need to learn to walk faster.
No. I have the camera.
Walk faster.
Oh, hello.
Jesus wank. Adam!
Hello.
What are we doing?
We're shooting our fucking web series finally.
Yeah, what are we doing, Chris?
Fucking contemplating suicide.
Cool, what are we doing, Alice?
Who's coming?
What?
These are the most pathetic fucking lights.
No, these are iconic. Look. It's a look.
It's a look. It's a look that makes you want to die.
Next time then. You won't appreciate it.
Why don't you not have the fire on so we can die of gas inhalation?
That's a good idea, Ben. I'll just turn them all on now.
let's turn it off and then just release some gas.
And then
Stop
light
fucking. I said stop a fucking.
I love fucking men.
And women.
Sorry?
Get on my dick then.
Sorry.
Get on it.
Sorry?
You've got a manly ass, that's why I'm here.
Oh.
Adam, get on my peen.
Fun fact, you don't have a manly ass, I love you.
Yeah, she does. I can see it. It looks like mine. Ow! She kicked my arsehole.
Get Ben.
Put it in my dick.
Oh no!
Let go.
Took it on my Jap side till I come on your toes.
Right, let's have a group hug. Okay, I want to die now.
That was a very tight clench.
Rod up bum. You had rod up bum.
What up, your mum?
Yay!
Chris, do your parents mind if I just put my.
Probably, they hate you.
Alright. Who doesn't hate you these days? That's the.
Most people do.
Yeah. Web theories. You just want the close when we tackle him?
Yes.
I'll tag him. I can smell something. I can definitely
Ben,
smell something.
I haven't fucking shit myself, alright?
No, I get it. Oh, the wine isn't.
Move that.
Move what?
That.
Yeah, it's alright, I guess. Yeah.
Start again.
Fuck off, Alex! Per usual, that's the usual.
Shut the fuck
For
up.
fuck's sake, Patrick!
Chris, do a little dance, Chris.
I just felt like we were just gonna hear ha ha ha.
No.
Cool, nice. You can't laugh. You can't laugh.
Oh yeah, it's getting a bit loud.
He just went up and it went on his head.
So high it can keep me away. I will follow him.
This is brought to you by the Society of
Ever
Gays.
since I touched my heart, I knew but I know the rest of the song. But all
Fucking bitch.
What up?
what up? What's happening tomorrow, Ben?
We're gonna go see the Aunty Donnas.
Aunty Donna. The other thing we wanted to quickly mention here before we carry on the vlog tomorrow, so we're gonna put some of the sketches that go wrong in vlogs. Like, well, here's a clip from one that went shit.
Hey! Bada bing, bada boom, you cunts!
Yeah, so
that was
just a small clip. We'll put that in the next vlog.
if I could be able to edit
If Ben can
because fun fact now, I edit all the
It's the
vlogs.
vlogs now.
So if the vlogs are shit, you can blame me.
So yeah, go see Aunty Donna tomorrow.
There's gonna be some footage of us
Yeah.
going to meet them.
Yeah, we're gonna go meet him.
I wonder what they'll say.
I don't know actually. Right, a bit of context. I've been emailing Zach from Aunty Donna for a while now, and just talking about like general shit because we're really good friends. But like,
You're not really good friends.
no, but
It's not like you're gonna turn up and go, "Oh,
I-
hi Adam, I love you, Adam. I've seen all your footage."
oh yeah. See you then. I could do the transition, but I don't know. If,
Yeah,
right,
just
we gotta remember tomorrow to
Fucking
do
do
the
it.
Aunty Donna!
Yeah.
What an intro.
I'm very excited. I'm very
Right,
excited.
so we're still in Dorset, aren't we, Adam? Yes, we are. What did Adam forget? The tickets. Because he's.
Ben, you can't say that.
Yeah, I can. I said.
Is it because you're partly black?
Why would you say that?
Because you say it all the fucking time.
Yeah, but I've never said that, Chris.
I don't have a video.
There's no documentation of me ever saying it.
there is.
No, there isn't. Yeah.
I'm expecting most of the footage tonight is going to be us in the car being like, and then us in the streets going,
What,
and
your
then us
dad
going,
takes
oh
a
my
shot?
god, I love you, and then the end.
And then me coming on your face.
If I'm marginally taller than him, I'm just gonna.
I think I might actually be the same height as Mark.
I think you'll be a little bit short. I think he'll be in between me and you, Mark.
Depends whether he's wearing shoes or not.
I think he will when he goes outside.
No, he's just one of those. He's just a
I'm
naturopath.
secretly homeless.
Nice.
I don't own shoes. Is that really up my neck? I'm not fat.
There you are.
Ben's go downstairs, shall we?
Guess where we are, guys? We're in London. We're in the pooey London bum.
London.
Does shit in my mouth?
Doth shit in thy mouth.
Shit in my mouth, man. Oh yeah, boy. So the magical land of Leicester Square. That's how it's pronounced, isn't it, guys?
No.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was like fuck off. Right, we will continue this meme in a bit. Cool. Bye, bitch. So who the fuck did we just meet?
We met Tomska.
Yeah, we fucking did. That was really. That was.
Pointed at Tomska. Oh, that's horrifying.
That was very odd. I'm pretty confused. Show the photo. Cut to the photo.
So, for some context there, basically, when we were in the line for Aunty Donna, their show Big Boys, we were saying, oh yeah, Tomska, famous YouTuber in the UK, he'll be in the description. I'm sure a lot of people probably already know him. But basically, what happened was, we were in the line, we were thinking, oh, I swear they're really good friends. They've been in some of Tomska's vlogs before. And then, you know, I turn around and go, fuck the bed, it's Tomska. And he just started walking towards us. I was like, hey, let's get a photo. And we also met Elliot, who is his editor for last week, the 2-time award-winning series now from Somewhere in the City. And we also met his girlfriend, Charlie, who happens to be a very talented drawer, so you should check out some of her stuff. If I can find a link, I'll put it in the description. Anyway, back to the vlog. So we're in London.
We're in London.
Someone's getting raped, which is great.
That's the goal.
That's the goal.
You guys are very good, by the way. Just all of you in general.
As human beings.
Yeah, just in general. Sorry, I'm just. Saw you guys on the way. Yeah, you too. Can we get a picture? Is that too much to ask? We're still on the top. No, we're just over there, but we don't want to lose our space in the queue. So would you be able to?
I will.
Thank you so much. You're so kind.
Oh yeah, fun fact about this theatre, Bo Burnham's played it. That was... Oh look, here's Dave. Hi.
Yeah, boys.
Oh yeah, it's recording? Alright.
Oh yeah, you guys.
Alright. Hey boys, we got a video message happening here. Alright, awesome, thank you. So Brode and Callie recognised Panic Button, and then the rest caught along, and Mark said he watched us stuff.
So we were stood around that corner over there, that little corner, and I was like, oh, I've seen in Tom's vlogs that
he likes Aunty Donna.
He likes Aunty Donna. I wonder if he'll be here. And then I was like,
no, he won't be here.
I turned around,
They've done a few shows
literally a second later, I turned around and went, no.
Fuck off.
I was like, there's Eddie. I was like, Eddie, and I was like, oh my god, there's Tomska. And then we snapped a little photo. My life's complete.
I could die. In fact, I might.
The fact that you watched that stuff though, I'm not even okay with.
Oh look, he's jumping. Oh, I've got butt there. I think I'm gonna throw up. Yeah, go on, Chris.
It's really
sign
open
us out.
transition.